Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 411th episode and the second episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. Today I'm going to share with all of you another great pecan pie recipe. Recently I shared with all of you a maple pecan pie. How does a chocolate pecan pie sound? Oh yes. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And it's going to be gooey and chocolatey. How tasty does that sound? This would be a great addition to your Thanksgiving dinner. Everybody would go crazy over this pie. Y'all going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my maple pecan pie and my original pecan pie recipes and my previous video, cinnamon roll pancakes. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your pecans, and your chocolate powdered sugar, because we're about to bake some chocolate pecan pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have a half a cup each of white and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to add in 1 cup of corn syrup. I'm using the light, or you can use the dark or half and half. And 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Going to whisk these ingredients together until it's well combined. Alright, 2-hour sugar mixture. We're going to add in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that melted with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I stirred together until the cornstarch dissolved. Going to pour that in. 3 extra large eggs that I let come to room temperature, and I lightly beaten them. And 1/3 cup of chocolate Nesquik powder. That's right, sugar. Chocolate Nesquik powder. Going to give a great chocolate flavor. And continue whisking until everything is well incorporated. Alright, and as soon as I get through whisking everything, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. Now there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. The pecans. We're going to add in 2 cups of pecan halves. And fold them in. Smells good. Love the smell of chocolate. Alright my friends, our chocolate pecan filling is complete. Now we're ready to pour it into the pie crust. We're going to pour it in the 9-inch pie shell. I'm using the frozen pie crust that I thawed, but I have a recipe for homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box, or you can use the refrigerated roll-up pie crust. Alright, now we're ready to put our pie in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 45 minutes to an hour. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my chocolate pecan pie out of the oven. It smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to let it rest and cool. All right, my friends, there you have it. Chocolate pecan pie. Doesn't it look delicious and it's nice and cool? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some whipped cream on top. My mouth's watering. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice and gooey in the middle. Pecans got a nice crunch to them. The crust is perfectly cooked. Could taste the chocolate Nesquik powder. Chocolatey goodness. This chocolate pecan pie is amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Just some whipped cream. I'm in chocolate heaven. Yum-o. Chocolate pecan pie delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.